Hi, I'm Diane Kuchilis, and it's salad day in my kitchen today, and I'm sharing one of my favorite salad recipes with you. I like to call this a superfood salad, and it's very simple and very few ingredients, but they're all packed with nutrition. Arugula, which is a great source of vitamins and minerals. It's rich in vitamin C and magnesium and vitamin K and all sorts of other good things. Pine nuts, which add a healthy fat to the salad and are also a great source of vitamins and minerals. A pomegranate, tomato, and the real secret to this simple salad, a really delicious dressing made with Greek olive oil, Greek sea salt, fresh orange juice, and a little bit of balsamic vinegar and mustard. So super easy. I'm just going to get the pine nuts toasted. That's pretty much the most difficult step in this whole process. About 4 cups of baby arugula here. Arugula has that beautiful peppery flavor. So I'm actually about to turn these off and they'll continue to brown in the skillet. I'm using teardrop tomatoes, and I like to keep them in fairly large pieces because I don't want them to get lost in the salad. We want to get the Arils of the pomegranate. Cut the pomegranate in half, as I've done here, and tap on it so that the Arils come out. I'd be inclined to add even a green apple to this if I didn't have a pomegranate. Even little bits of orange, sometimes a pear. I just like that combination of, that beautiful grassy flavor, the peppery flavor of the arugula, and the little bit of sweetness from the fruit. Set this aside, and next up, whisk the dressing. There's a lot of flavor just in these 3 ingredients, and the pine nuts add texture, they add crunch, and they add that satisfying feeling that you get when you eat something that has a little bit of fat in it, and nuts, of course, are a source of good fat. That's something to keep in mind. So I'm making a very simple orange vinaigrette with a little bit of fresh orange juice, and I keep the pulp in there because I like it. A little bit of balsamic, and I've got a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a little bit of Greek sea salt. So you always add the acid in a dressing, for example, the orange juice and the balsamic, before you add the fat, which is the olive oil in this case. And we just want to whisk that to emulsify it. And so that's kind of what we're looking for. It's fairly thick. The acid and the olive oil have emulsified. That means they're united, so it's nice and smooth and velvety. You want to get those pine nuts right over the top. And a little bit of our dressing, or maybe all of it. I usually toss the salad with my hands and then serve it. So I'm going to do that, and I have a serving bowl on the side. Think about salads. You want to think about the complexity of flavors in vegetables. You want to think about balance. All about color. The more color, the better. And it's all about remembering that salad is a really important part of our daily nutrition, and something that in the Mediterranean diet is probably the most important thing you can eat. And remember, it's almost always dressed with extra virgin olive oil, in this case, extra virgin Greek olive oil. And you can go to my shop, shop.dianekuchilis.com, to see a whole range of olive oils and other great stuff that you can use in salads, from salts to vinegars to other sorts of dressings.